Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer lemongrass chicken wings. Let's begin. We have here 2 stalks of lemongrass and we're going to cut this up first. We're going to cut off the base. Next we're going to cut it down in the center. We're going to peel away all the hard outer shell. We're going to remove another layer because it's still kind of tough. There you go, it's pretty soft right there. Do the same thing for this one. That's pretty soft too. I'm going to cut it a couple times, making a plus sign. Cut a couple more lines. There we go. Next, we're going to cut it into fine bits. There you go. Next, let's make the sauce. We have here 1 teaspoon of lime juice. We're going to add in the lemongrass, finely chopped up lemongrass. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. One, 2. 1 tablespoon of premium fish sauce. There you go. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped up ginger. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of honey. There you go, 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put it to the side. We have here 1.5 pounds of chicken wings and we're going to season it first. Okay, we have all the chicken wings in a bowl. We're going to season the chicken wings. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. We're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. Take all the wings and mix it all together with the seasoning. Make sure everything is mixed in nice and well. Okay, we're set. We're going to preheat the air fryer first. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button and we're going to preheat it at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. The air fryer has been preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. Okay, it's looking good. Let's put them in. We're going to turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Okay, we flip them all over. Spread them out again. And let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take the wings out. Looking great. Let's take them out. We're going to take the air fried chicken wings and put it to the side for right now. We're going to add some olive oil. Spread it all around. There we go. Next, we're going to cook a 1/4 cup of finely chopped up shallots. Try to brown up the shallots. Okay, they're nicely browned up. Next, we're going to add the sauce. Make sure to get all the sauce in there. Stir the sauce around. Okay, it's looking good. Next, we're going to add the chicken wings in. And then we're going to stir everything all together. Okay, it's looking good. And now we're going to pick it up. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer lemongrass chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.